Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com. Today, I have 2 questions I can tackle with one video. So this is from Shauna Lindquist, and how do you suggest to use Pinterest to sell e-commerce products how do you use Pinterest to sell e-commerce products that you've created? And then another question, I did not write your name down, I'm sorry, is how to use Pinterest to sell a service instead of a product. So it's essentially going to be the exact same strategy. When you're selling a physical product, you're gonna do a different lead magnet typically to get people on your email list. The ultimate goal with using Pinterest is to get people on your email list, and then when they're on your email list, that's where you can market to them. Okay, so if you're selling a physical product, maybe it's a 10% coupon code, maybe it's free shipping, something like that. If you're selling a service or a course or something like that, reverse engineer it. So if I'm selling a Pinterest course, then I'm going to have a freebie that's about Pinterest, which we have our Pinterest cheat sheet, we have a Pinterest masterclass that people can sign up for. So whatever it is, it's just going to be related to whatever it is that you're selling. So the freebie, reverse engineer it. What are you selling? What could you offer that's going to lead to whatever it is that you're selling? Exact same thing if you have actual physical products that you're selling. So if you offer a coupon code, discount, same kind of thing. The ultimate goal, use Pinterest to build your email list. From there, you can market your products and services. I hope you found that helpful. By the way, sign up before my Pinterest masterclass, where I'm going to teach you way more in depth how to use Pinterest to get more leads and sales into your business. Just go to freepinterestclass.com, and I'll see you later.